Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Hamza Khalid and today I will be presenting my research on designing to support the experiences of international students through music. So first of all, introduction. The main aim of this research is to explore how music-based interaction in digital products can improve international student experiences, particularly in social relationship, emotional well-being, and cultural integration. The motivation behind this research stems from the challenges of international students which they are facing, such as loneliness, homesickness, and cultural adjustment. Music has the potential to alleviate these struggles by fostering social engagement, emotional connections, and a sense of belonging. Additionally, this research links to experience centered design, emphasizing how digital products using music can create meaningful experiences that support integration and well-being. Method of desk research. To conduct this research, I focus on two main sources. One is academic sources, the other one is commercial sources. Academic sources, I research Google Scholar, ACM Digital Library, and Scopus for studies related to international students, music integration, and emotional well-being. And for commercial sources, I examine music-related digital products by exploring app stores, product reviews, and media releases. The process involves reviewing 12 academic papers with 8 directly relevant to the topic, examining 6 commercial products, of which 4 provided valuable insights, synthesizing the finding to identify key themes and areas for improvement. Finding from academic research. Research showed that international students struggle with loneliness, social isolation, and emotional stress. They experience both personal loneliness, for example, missing their families, and social loneliness, for example, losing networks. Homesickness and a lack of support networks are common issues, but music play a crucial role in their well-being by promoting cultural connections and reducing homesickness, helping regulate emotions and providing a sense of comfort. Design lesson suggested that digital platforms incorporating music-based elements can be significantly improve cultural integration and emotional health. Finding from commercial products. I analyzed existing music-related apps to see how they support international students. For example, Spotify allows us, like for example, user to share music with friends, explore cultural playlists, and maintain a connection to home. Calm. Calm uses music to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Tune in provide radio station from home countries for familiarity and comfort. And the other platforms such as YouTube and SoundCloud also help students stay connected to their culture by allowing them to engage in cultural events, listen to music, and discover new artists from their home country. Market gaps and future research. Despite these existing platforms, there are significant gaps in the market. There, there are few platforms, especially designed for international students to support cultural integration through music. Current apps lack strong community building features tailored to international students' emotional and social needs. To address these gaps, I plan to conduct user research through surveys and interviews to understand how international students use music to stay connected to home, their preferred music based apps, and the reasons for their choices, whether they would find a music app designed for international students useful, and the features they would like in such an app. So, at the end, I conclude that if I talk about the conclusion, in summary, music has a powerful impact on international students' well being, helping them overcome loneliness, maintain cultural ties, and regulate emotions. While current platforms provide some benefits, like there is a strong need for a dedicated digital solution that fosters cultural integration and social connection through music. So this is my I briefly explain every my slide, so you can see how music play significant role in student lives, especially international students.